This quick honest review is of the Arm & Hammer Complete Care toothpaste. Let me show you. So this is a toothpaste from Arm & Hammer. They're well known for their baking soda and having baking soda, bits of baking soda in their various products, including their toothpaste. This particular one is, they call it a complete care, so it's supposed to be for whole mouth protection, cleaning, whitening, and gum health all in one. I'll just pull the box a little bit closer, and you can see. And here you can see some of the ingredients. Obviously it has fluoride in there. So yeah, typical toothpaste. The bit that I do like about it, it's just a white in color. It's the flavor is fresh mint, and what's nice about it is that it's not overpowering. It's relatively subtle, as some of the toothpastes just, I mean, your mouth is the mint, whatever is in it is just like overbearing. But this isn't. This fresh mint is actually quite, it's quite subtle. So I really like that part about it. And you can see here is also as the complete care, it's supposed to, it bills itself as being whitening, neutralizes acids, deep cleaning, fresh breath, tartar control, cavity protection, strengthens enamel. So pretty much everything that you could want in a good quality toothpaste is in there. This particular one, you can buy them either certainly from your local pharmacist or in supermarket, but you can also get them on Amazon. They usually have them in sort of packs of 2. I have seen bigger ones with packs of 3. So individually, if you just sort of buy one individually, it runs at about $5, about $5 each. The size is 6 ounces, 170 grams. So yeah, that'll certainly last some time. But if you want to save a bit more money, you can buy packs of 2 or 3 on Amazon. Amazon, the pack of 2 runs about $8, and the pack of 3 runs about $10. And sometimes I've seen some subscribe and save as well, so you might be able to get a little more of a saving that way as well. Anyway, this is as the name implies, a complete protection toothpaste from Arm & Hammer. And yeah, I really recommend this toothpaste. As I mentioned, the main thing is the fresh mint flavor is not overpowering. So yeah, I'll definitely give this product a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Quick honest reviews.